Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a video for you. I'm bringing to you something very exciting. I am actually very excited and I can't wait to do the unboxing. For the first time I shopped with DHGATE, guys. So a few reviews and you know, and I thought why not try it. For a very long time I've been such a brand snob. Guys, you can't blame me. I work with brands for over 15 years, high-end brands, and obviously we have to love these brands and love the ethical part of it, okay? However, I just thought I'm probably missing out, you know, and after watching a few videos and see the quality and how real it looks, it made me quite curious, and I went ahead and I ordered a few things. Okay, let me just show you guys what I grabbed this time. I will, if I'm very happy with what I've ordered, I'm actually quite concerned. Okay, my credit card will cry, my weave will fall off. I don't know what's gonna happen. So let's just see what we have got here. Okay, I bought one of them. I already got really excited and I went ahead and opened, and I'm not disappointed. And I've got another box here, this one here, because I worked with this brand before. In fact, I worked with both brands before, and I don't want to you know, I want to be able to be hireable again. I don't want the brands ever see my video and say, oh, she's shopping for fakes. No, so that's that. And I'm gonna go ahead and open. This one is already open, so guys, there's nothing to hide. That's the pack she came, and is the none other than Prada, and is this boat hat that we see in runways now, we see in fashion shows, and guys, it's nylon, and it's amazing. I'm telling you, I work with brands and I work in management. Prior to management, I was a brand specialist, meaning that I'm trained to detect fakes and really see the quality in things as well. And I have to say, even the stitching, everything, it comes with a tag, with the logo inside. It has got the logo. One thing that gives away though, unless someone takes your hat off your head, so will be this one hasn't got the sizing, because the real thing has got the sizing there. So that's Prada. Let me try for you guys. Let me try it for you. A tiny head though, but I've got weave. So guys, love it. So yes guys, I'm very extremely happy with this piece here. I already wore out with the tag. I just popped the tag in there and did wear it. And you know, because I've got quite a lot of designer real things, people just assume it's a real thing, you know. I know it sounds stupid, but yeah. So this type of a boat hat, it costs in the region of 230, 240 pounds UK, so you're looking nearly $300, or I don't know the exchange rate or anything like that, but I'm assuming, unless the pound is gone down. But yeah, so guys, proper, well made, metal, long lasting, you ask me, is freaking worth it. Okay, so now guys, I'm dying to open this. Shall we go somewhere else and on top of my counter in the kitchen, and I'll be revealing to you guys the quality of this pair of trainers. I was going to get that for my work when I was working for the brand, but I was just like, I wanted too many things. I want the belt, I want the bags, you know, you can't have it all. But with DHGATE, guys, you probably can have it all. Let's check it out. So guys, here we are. Let's do this. Oh my god, I'm actually quite nervous, but I mean, I didn't break the bank for it, but it's still quite a lot of money, especially with what's going on at the moment in the world. Every little bit counts, and it's not a little bit. So yeah guys, if you wanted me to give you the details of this sailor, if you wanted me to give you the detail of this sailor, I will not put here on my YouTube, because I want my YouTube channel to do really well, guys. I'm scared to get penalized or something. Oh my god, it has a box. I hope it's not battered. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. I feel like a freaking child. And I know this brand so well because both places I worked in the past sold this brand, and I mean, you know, day in, day out, I was dealing with these trainers. I know how it looks. I know all the markings. Don't want to cut myself. The packaging is phenomenal. One thing that I already can see straight away is the box with this Chinese writing on it. Obviously the Gucci, none of these Chinese logos, or what do you call it? And guess what it is? None other than the Gucci's. Let's see if it's Gucci or Gucci or Gotcha. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I mean, the box is already bent, but really not qualms about that. What counts for me really is the product. I used to get a lot of box from Gucci anyway, empty boxes, and that used to have that. I can't believe I'm buying a fake Gucci. I feel very cheeky and just feel like a naughty child. I don't know why. You know, I don't own Gucci, so sod it. Gorgeous box. Oops. Oops. It's about to drop. Oops. Oops. Guys, I have to say, straight out the back, it has a strong smell. So, yeah. Okay. Has got all these fakey things. I think because I've got the expertise, I think because I've got the knowledge, I can spot this straight away. I know for a fact it's fake. But this is dusty bag. Okay, guys. I mean, for someone that hasn't been trained or really doesn't know much, you won't bloody know. Okay, you won't know. You won't know it's fake, but I do. Well, so you guys, the whole world knows now I'm wearing my fake Gucci trainers. It depends the quality. Let's reveal. Oh, please don't be so fake looking, and I'll lose my monies. Ooh, ooh. It comes in these, and the real Gucci never comes in this type of thingy, cloth thing. Okay, the smell is potent. Okay. So far, guys, I do like it. I chose the one with the stars, and it does look great. here has got the markings there. Let's take the other one out. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. They look really nice. I like the sort of the colorway in terms of the green and the red, spot on. Let me see this green here. Sometimes what gives away is this green here. I don't know. Yeah, it looks good. Inside as well, and it's leather. It has got the markings of Gucci. The inside. Let's bring this up here. It has got the embossed. It's not actually. You probably won't be able to see it, but in there, in the sole, it does have the. On the sole, it does have the Gucci embossed. So it's not written. It looks real. It looks good. I'm excited. Let me see inside here. The lace looks decent as well. Right, like that. I don't remember if the lace had the Gucci thing, the original ones they used to sell at work. So the front bit is here, is a bit elevated, and I guess that's how it is. I'm trying to think, but it's very Gucci-like. I mean, it's definitely Gucci. It's not gotcha. Right. So it has got the made in Italy, which we want. It definitely wants made in Italy, and it's pure leather. This is the beauty of it. You know, it's fake, but it smells of glue. I guess it's been manufactured recently as well, because you know, I think the lady was saying they manufacture as they go along or something, as they got the orders is when they produce them. But guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy. Even if someone spots and sees that it's fake, but because I work for brands and people that know me knows I'm a brand snob, they're probably just gonna think it's real. And I know I paid very less than £450, the original price for them. Hi guys, I hope you have liked the video, and if you're here this long, thank you so much. And please do not forget to subscribe. Don't be stingy with the subscribe button. It's there for free. Please let this family grow, okay? There's a lot of more to come, I promise you guys, but I need to be encouraged, because what's the point if YouTube is not pushing my videos to the top so people can see them? I'll just feel like I don't want to make videos, okay? But you know, let's not get to that. Subscribe to my channel. I do hair reviews and fashion, fragrance reviews, and I've got so much stuff that I want to bring to this channel, guys. But I need to get motivated. I know it's, you know, it's down to me to let the channel grow, but it's nice to see you guys enjoying it. All right. So yes, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Great. We found an abandoned place. I don't know if it's abandoned. It's a hydropower. No man, can you show them? Can you show?
A warehouse.
A warehouse. Probably it's not a warehouse because I don't see any pipes for a factory. But
Okay, let's get working on it.
I think some people work here, but it's shut down. Like,
guys, just in the beautiful park with my daughter. How nice is this? Oh, there's some guys playing basketball over there. There she comes. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Oh, do not touch.
I'm not touching.
Love you, Freya. She didn't say I love you back.